What is good? It's your boy Podium Pyro. It's been a minute. I'm with my boy B Crazy, aka Craig in the back. We out here at his garage working on my 2013 GSXR 750. We got this shit stripped down. We did a whole bunch of upgrades so far. The first upgrade that I added was right here, this Woodcraft stator cap. After that, handlebars, and I did the clutch and the brake. Oh yeah, I ordered an M4 exhaust, M4 track exhaust, double bubble, windscreen. Also got this Power Commander 5 right here, and I'm gonna eventually at some point get the GSXR custom dyno map. Also got this K&N air filter, bar ends that I didn't get to add yet. We're about to add that in a little. I got this engine ice because we just flushed out all the coolant. We actually just took a time lapse. You're gonna see that in a little bit. Yeah, so this is pretty much us reassembling my bike. At some point, fairings, they're gonna come in and the exhaust is gonna come in. Then I'm gonna get clips of us doing that. But yeah, so naked bike in the garage. All the parts are off. That's it. Let's get to work. Alright, so we just took out the stock air filter and we replaced it with the K&N air filter. And next we're doing the set valve regulator. Oh no, yeah, we're moving the set valve motor. Because actually what that does is when you remove that for whatever reason on these GSXRs, it's programmed that once that's removed and you put any sort of pipe, it's gonna give you a FI light because of that motor. With the exhaust that I'm getting, it comes with a piece to regulate that to stop that FI light. But other people, they actually have to cut, which is pin 30. You guys should look into that because you have to look into forums. You'll find out later on for people that are doing exhaust jobs. But you're gonna have to cut pin 30, and that's basically what takes away that FI light that comes up right here in the dash. So when you actually turn the key on your bike, when you hear that ding sound, it's actually this right here. That's that. So basically what we're doing is we're removing these because this is connected to the mid pipe right here, and you have to remove this whole servo system. So we're removing this motor, which is right in here. It is kind of hard to see, but you can see the bolt right there. We actually have to take out these bolts to take out that motor, to take out the wires that run down here. So we don't gotta worry about that anymore, so we don't get that stupid ass FI light. So we were able to take out that set valve motor right here. This is the connector pin that we had to disconnect. This thing runs all the way to the bottom of the bike, and these wires right here are what connect to the mid pipe, and that's that sound that you hear. We're removing that because I'm taking out the stock mid pipe, and it's basically everything: headers, mid pipe, cap in the back, all that. So
many hours later,
we did a whole bunch of stuff today on the GSXR. We took off the exhaust. We took up the whole exhaust. Before we were able to actually take off all that, we actually had to take off the servo motor. Anyway, we did a whole bunch of pre-exhaust work because I got the M4 track carbon Tech1 track exhaust coming in full exhaust. I ordered the Power Commander, show you that. We just put that in. Now that we got the Power Commander put in, we got everything else put on. We got the handlebars put on, we got the clutch lever, we got the brake lever. I need to get new tires. New tires are coming soon for that bike. I'm gonna get Pirelli Diablos. I'm gonna show that soon. I'm also gonna get a custom map. I'm getting the GSXR dyno tune. After this whole coronavirus shit like dies down, I'm gonna go and take that to the closest dyno tune station that I know. I already installed the akrapovic full exhaust because I heard someone, well, not heard, I read on a forum, on GSXR forum, that someone was running an akrapovic full map until they got their custom map with the M4 track exhaust. And we're gonna put the tank back on. After that, we're gonna actually do the radiator flush because I have the engine ice that we're gonna put into the radiator. That's pretty much it. Yo, what is good? You already know what time it is. Your boy Pyro back at Be Crazy Garage. We're out here chilling. What we're doing today is we're changing out my old spools. This was the old size for the spool lift, and this is the new size. Basically, these are Woodcraft spool sliders that they double as a slider. They're literally almost double, triple in size. Easy, we're gonna put Loctite on this and then just put that shit right here, tighten it in with an Allen key, and that's it. Basically good to go. This is the M4 exhaust that I ordered. Everything's still bubble wrapped. I'm gonna do an unboxing of that later. Next day or off or whatever, we'll get to that. But yeah, so today, frame sliders, pretty much it. The old, new, don't need that one anymore. Yo, what is good? You already know I'm back over here at Be Crazy Garage. Out here working on my Jixer once again. But today's the biggest day. I'm installing the exhaust with Craig. After we install the exhaust, we're gonna put the radiator back on, mount everything back up. So basically all I gotta do left is, once my new fairings come in, pop my new fairings on, and then put it on the dyno and get new tires, and project done. I got the M4 Tech1 carbon exhaust over here. This is the muffler. Carbon fiber muffler. These are the mid pipe. No, these are actually the headers. Yeah, these are the headers right here, and this is the mid pipe. Hardware. Yep, that's all the hardware. These are the stock headers and the stock muffler and mid pipe. So that's already taken off. So let's get to it. Right now is I need to get a bolt to attach the last bracket on the exhaust to the actual frame of the bike. This bolt is too small. We had another bolt that went in, it was too long, so he's basically cutting the bolt so I can fit everything through. Alright, so me and Craig finished installing the M4 track exhaust right now. I'm about to turn it on to test the sound. That's it. Ready?
Shoot it. Cold start.
Bro, way loud. Way loud. There you go. It works. We did it. And that's it. That's the project. Basically, next up is tires, because I got this big ass nail right there. Tires, and then tune, and we're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Later.